Hey beauties, Andrea. So right here I am with my hair after a few styles, a few flexi rods, a few different things that I've done with it. And yes, it is getting closer to wash date, but not yet. So right here I have some oils from Jamaican mango and limelight, and I have the black castor oil extra dark, the black castor oil original, eucalyptus oil, and black castor oil amla. The back they have exactly the same directions. They're all towards having a hot oil treatment after you heat it up, applying on your scalp and leaving it in from 15 to 30 minutes. Of course, followed with shampoo, conditioning, and styling. As for texture, they're very similar, just not too thin, close to being thick but not exactly too thick. Around the same for all of them. And don't forget to heat up the oil for a hot oil treatment. Don't forget to not put it in the microwave. Make sure you heat up a bowl of water. Take the bowl off the heat. Do not put it while the water is boiling, anything like that. After it's off the heat, you can put the bottle inside of it. So we already have them in a hot oil treatment bottle, so they're good to go. I already did a review on the extra black castor oil. So now I'm gonna mix these two, which is the amla and the original, for a braid out. Yes, for my braid outs, I changed the way I do them. There's a particular way that I do. Yes, I do divide my hair always in the middle for a braid out, and I'll tell you guys later why. I'm gonna wet it, but make sure when you do wet it, make sure you know it has to dry while you sleep. All right, so make sure you do not wet it too much. Make sure you braid very close to the scalp, as if you're doing a cornrow, going straight down in the front, especially because you want that front part to be defined when you take off the braid out. Well, when you take out the braid. Keep on braiding and pick up hair as you go, so the whole front part can be braided. I'm going to do the same thing to the other front side. And for the back, doing the same thing, wetting it, not too much, and applying the oil then. For the back, I'm going to start the braid close, very close, right on top of my ears. Yes, I want the most definition in the front. The back, I'm not really worried about. The back can be stretched out a little bit so it can give me more length, since I do carry my length in the back. Same thing on the other side in the back, and you can go to sleep just like this. You can wrap it, do whatever you like. I did, as you can see, the next day in the morning, and of course the next day just take out all your braids. After you take it out, this is what you get. I did not separate anything, but as you can see, my hair is very shiny, and so the oils did a good job. So now I'm going to shake my hair front to back, side to side, first before I start separating my hair. Not comb my hair with my fingers. I separate it with my hands, and I do separate as much as I can. There is a reason why I separate my hair in the middle. It is to create a little bump, as you can see right here, because I always wear my hair to the side. So yes, that is for the bump, so I can have a little more volume at the top for that little hump. Again, always to the side. And after separating my hair as much as I could, these are the results.